Hello guys, MjkFIFA again with a new video. Here you see FIFA 15 with the early access. I've been waiting for a few hours to complete this FIFA 15 download, but it's finally finished. Let's open the first 4 packs. Here you see the 4 packs that I get free. Let's open the first one. Yeah, this is because it's my first pack in FIFA 15, so they're going to explain how to store the players. Here you see I didn't get any special out of this pack, some gold non-rare players, just nothing special. I'm just going to store them all in my club, because of course I've simply no good players. Let's open the next pack. Here you see I just get a lot of shit. Just nothing special, no rare gold players. I'm just gonna store them all in my club. Let's open the third pack. Just nothing again, but the packs are free, so it doesn't matter. Let's store them all in my club. This is the fourth and the last pack. It's a legend pack. Let's hope I get something good. What? Is this a legend pack? Oh my god. I think I've just bought bad luck. There's just nothing really special. Let's store them in my club. Here you see the kind of packs you can buy. The bronze pack, silver pack, gold pack. They are the same price. And the promo packs. You can also buy FIFA points just like at FIFA 14. Yeah guys, this is the end of my video. I hope you liked it. Like and subscribe. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace.